This has been a pretty unique project for us, with the front facade tapering back like it did. It's been unbelievably complex, and we like complex jobs because it allows us to use our creativity and our engineering skills to really create the architect's vision. My name's Peter Blythe. I'm the Managing Director of Dynamic Steel Frame, and we created the lightweight steel frame facade for this project. The framework of the building, from our perspective, was a 7-storey front facade and a 7-storey rear facade. The post-tension concrete slab tapered back from the building on the park side. We created the lightweight steel frame web trusses, essentially, cut around the concrete and bracketed onto the face. The design process took in excess of 400 hours. Using our design and modelling software and skills, we implemented Truecore Steel in the façade as part of our roll-forming system. Adapting a floor truss construction approach, we took the time during the design phase to ensure the lightweight façade system made from Truecore Steel would carry the weight of the windows and the tiles easily, given the raking nature of the façade. Being that Truecore Steel is manufactured to strict tolerances, we get absolute consistency and repeatability of every component that we fabricate. The favourite part of the building for us is just the way it rakes back from the street, the way it falls away, and how we were able to create that architectural intent and turn that into a reality.